Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains basic two operation, multiplication and division. So here we have to solve this quiz using PEMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 1, C is 25 and D is 625. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PEMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number three is you have to solve division and multiplication. So what we have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. So both have similar precedence, so you can solve any method like BODMAS and PEMDAS rule. You can apply same method for solving this expression. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PEMDAS rule, we have to solve first the bracket. So here we have one bracket, which is curly bracket, this one. So first of all, we have to solve this one. But inside the bracket, we have three operation like multiplication, division, and multiplication. So which one we have to solve first? So according to the rule, first we have to solve the bracket, and other one we have to solve the exponent or order of expression. So we have here, we do not have any number which has the power, so we can skip this step. Now move forward, step number three, which is division and multiplication. So now recall that we have to here, like when we solve this part, so we will go left to right in our expression and find out which is coming first. So first we have 15 multiplied by 2. So we will multiply these two terms. We get the answer is 30 because it is coming first. So we will solve this part as it is. Sorry, we will write this part as it is. And here we have divided by 25. Again, we have to write as it is. And now we have to say like 15 multiplied by 2 equals to 30. Now move forward. Step number 3, we will repeat as it is because we have here another division and multiplication. So now again we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So first we have 30 divided by 6, not 6 divided by 5. We will solve this part. Either you are using PEMDAS or BODMAS, you will follow same step. You have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have division 30 divided by 6. So we will like 5 multiplied by 5. And again 20, sorry, divided by 25, we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 30 divided by, say, equals to 5. Now, again, we have to go left to right because we have another multiplication. So now we have to see which is coming first. So now we have 5 multiplied by 5. We will write 25 and divided by 25. Again, we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 5 multiplied by 5 equals to 25. Now we have divided two terms like 25 divided by 25. So we will divide these two terms and get the answer is 1. So the correct answer of this expression is 1. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PEMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the same result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.